Hi, I'm Nivedita Uttarwar and I'm pursuing my MBA from IUBH, International University of Applied Sciences, and currently I'm doing my capstone project. Few months back when I joined as a student in IUBH, there was a career event, online career event, and I was very fascinated to hear some of the talks and the people who were there, the ideas they had about the entrepreneurship, innovation, and one of the speaker was Professor Sami Joshi, and I was really fascinated about the topics that he talked about. Entrepreneurship, innovation, and how the companies are working on the new ideas nowadays, and all those things. And even while choosing a topic for capstone project, I was like, I want to uh, work on a topic which is latest, which is recent, and I would like to explore something new. So I choose something related to DeFi and blockchain technology, how we can create a business model around it. And while choosing a supervisor, I was pretty clear and sure that okay, I can check with Professor Samizoshi whether he can supervise my project. And gladly, when I created the expose and I sent Professor my expose, and next day I got an email that he is ready to accept that and he would be glad to accept that. But yes, he had a very different approach that was really exciting and very useful, I would say, while working on the project. So there was a initially we had a call, kick-off call, you can say, and we discussed the topic that how I will collate it and how it would be structured, what data I would be using, and all those points. After that, I was sending the weekly message to Professor that what I did last week and what I will be doing next week, and if I need any help from the professor. So it was very frequent communication. Every week there was a communication, and it helped me to be clear in my mind how to approach this problem, how to reach my goal. And that's why and also if there is any, if I'm on a wrong path, I'll get the feedback immediately that okay, I will do the course correction then. And if I need any help, even he was approachable all the time because he instantly used to reply to the messages. So it was a very nice journey talking to Mr. Professor Samir Joshi, and I really liked working with him. And the communication, it also had a very it was not like he was just a professor and just supervising me, but we like to talk about the topics, about the things going on around, and it was very a casual talk when I was talking with him. It was not like intimidating kind of a communication, but it was a very smooth and casual communication, and which makes you feel comfortable as a student, because many times if you are afraid to talk, if you don't have uh, this mental security, or you feel that you cannot talk to a person or your supervisor clearly, then it becomes difficult to reach your goal uh, as soon as possible. So yeah, I really liked working with Professor Sami Joshi, and I'm really thankful that he was my supervisor.